Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here and shoot a quick video to let everyone know that I received an email from the owners of Nexus Rewards, and they are extending their 50% off Black Friday special until December 6th, this Friday. So if you are looking at or thinking about joining Nexus Rewards, you can do so for 50% off through this coming Friday, okay, December 6th. So instead of paying $49.95 to join, you're only going to have to pay $24.95 to join. And it's a great opportunity. It's a fun opportunity. You're going to save money on things that you're already purchasing, and you can make money referring other people. So I have a link down below this video, but you can also go to earnsavelivebetter.com. I don't know if you can see that, earnsavelivebetter.com, and get more information about this opportunity. The owners are brothers. They've been in the industry for more than 30 years. They're really good people. You can get in touch with them if you have any questions. We have weekly Zoom calls, and more people are seeing the benefits of being a part of this membership club. It's only $9.95 a month after your initial sign-up cost. And we have VIP travel where you can save on car rentals, hotel rooms, cruises, airlines, everything. And then we have, basically anything that you buy, groceries, gasoline, normal shopping. We have people that will work on your behalf to lower your monthly bills, like your electric bill, your cable bill, things of that nature. It's just the value that you get for $9.95 a month is incredible, okay? And like I said, not only will you be saving money, you can earn money by referring other people to the opportunity. So if you're interested, check out the link below. Again, you can join this for 50% off. What you want to do now to get the 50% off is you want to join as a free member, okay? So when you go to earnsavelivebetter.com, you're going to enter your name and email address, watch the videos in there that show you everything, and then you join as a free member, okay, which will be down at the bottom of the page where you can join. Once you're in your back office, you will see a button that says join for 50%, become a premium member for 50% off. That's what you want to click on. And then again, instead of paying the $49.95 to join, you're only going to pay $24.95 to join, and then $9.95 a month thereafter. So it's a great deal. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.